Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Remedies for treating pylon bleeding relief. Apple cider vinegar. Even though some people say that during itching and pain, apple cider vinegar can bring instant relief to hemorrhoids. Aloe vera. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties that may help soothe inflammation of hemorrhoids. Tea tree oil. Some people say the antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties of tea tree oil may reduce swelling and itching caused by hemorrhoids. To help treat and prevent hemorrhoids, it's important to eat enough fiber as follow. 25 grams of fiber a day for women. 38 grams of fiber a day for men. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. These dietary changes can make stool easier to pass and keep the problem from recurring. Disclaimer: this content and video, including advice, provides generic information only. It is not a substitute for qualified medical and medication opinions. Always consult a specialist or your own doctor for advice.